guys, welcome to another video with your boy Chance. Guys, it feels like I haven't seen you guys in a long time. Well, I haven't vlogged a video for you guys in a long time, so am I not glad to see you boys and girls once again? But cheers, boys and girls. Like you see with the title and thumbnail of the video, the car just got another sponsor, boys and girls, so that is so dope. Yeah guys, right now I'm heading to a cool guy all the way in Lenasia to go get our bumpers refurbished, guys. If you guys have seen the market on E30 parts, guys, you understand why we are refurbishing the parts instead of buying a complete bumper for now, of course. But yes guys, a cool guy, we're gonna meet him just now. I'm on my way there, so yes guys, hope you guys are excited. If you guys are excited, please make sure to like the video, boys and girls. Subscribe to the channel. We are almost there on that 5,000 subscriber mark. Hope you guys have been good though. I miss you guys a lot. I'll talk to you guys when I get down. I don't wanna make this video too long for you guys like the others, so yeah, see you guys in the future. Okay, boys and girls, right now I'm gonna talk to the owner of ProSpray. Let me introduce him to you guys and then yeah. Good, sir.
Hi, good day. How's it?
I'm good, how are you?
Good, thanks.
Good. Please introduce yourself and tell us where you're from.
Well, my name is Wahid. I'm from Malaysia. So I'm the owner of ProSpray AutoBody. We're based in Extension 10, Malaysia.
Okay.
So basically what we offer is we do full restorations of cars.
Okay.
We do normal accident repairs to cars as well.
Yeah.
Basically everything that you need done on a car, from the interior to the exterior.
Yeah.
To the engine. Anything.
Everything.
And everything. We do.
Anything and everything.
Yes.
Nice. And today, what we have good news for our audience today. You're gonna be sponsoring us with repair on a few stuff on our car.
On your BMW here, we're gonna be repairing your back bumper for you.
Okay.
So just to show you what it's gonna look like when it's completed, for example, this one over here. This one was in a similar shape as well. So basically, it'll look like that when we're done.
Yeah.
Additionally, what we will also be doing is we'll be doing some basic paint correction on your car.
Okay.
So we'll be trying to get rid of some of the yellowness in the white paint.
Yeah.
As you can see,
I'm not sure if it might show on camera. Yeah.
And then we'll do a complete detail of your vehicle.
Of the vehicle as well. Yes. Nice. Yo, that's. Well, I'm just excited. I'm even out of words.
I'm sure you'll be happy.
Yeah. But for today, what we're gonna work with the rear bumper and then the other stuff we wanna do next week.
Yeah. So we'll also look at the front bumper. There's also some scratches on the front bumper as well. Yeah. That we need to repair.
I think it's the corners.
This busted piece here.
Yeah.
We're gonna repair.
This side, yeah.
And then we'll just do some basic repair on the paint as well.
Just to remove that
just some scratches, we'll do some correction and then we'll give it a full polish.
Yeah.
We'll try to see. It's basically a detail without a spray job. So
yeah.
We're not going to be spraying the car, we're just going to try to correct it.
Where you can. All
so
right.
at the later stage, when you do have time, we'll bring it in and then we'll spray
the whole vehicle. Oh, that sounds awesome.
Okay.
Yeah. So is there any social platforms where people can get you?
Alright, so we do have a TikTok account.
Okay.
It's called ProSpray AutoBody.
Okay.
We have Instagram as well, ProSpray_AutoBody.
Okay.
Then basically we also do have a Facebook account as well.
Alright, ProSpray. Yeah, alright.
So you're welcome to reach us on those
social media platforms. Okay.
To have some of our work done and everything.
Alright. And then any contact number?
You guys can contact me on 064 507 0350.
Alright. And they'll get you here in Lenasia Ext.
They'll get me in Lenasia Ext.
Yeah. ProSpray AutoBody.
ProSpray AutoBody.
Nice. Well, thank you very much for taking care of us today.
You're welcome.
I'm super humble and and pleased and happy that you guys all reached out to me and
definitely, and we'll be glad
assisting me
to do some work for you on this vehicle as well.
Thank you
Sure
bro.
you'll be pleased.
Yeah, thank you sir.
Thanks, man.
So yes guys, if you guys remember Jermaine, our guy that got us the prestige number plate holder for this car, this is his car guys. 2.9 stroke 325 boys on turbines. Oh, this is the look for Jermaine vs. Jab boys. Is this not insane? This is so sick boys. So yes boys and girls, the changes are now taking out the rear bumper. The front bumper we're gonna do that on Saturday when I come collect the front bumper, and then on the Saturday we're gonna also do a detail on the car. The guys are sponsoring me with the detail as well, so big shout out to them. And then yeah boys, I just love how the content is coming together. And there's Mr. Jermaine over there. Mr. Jermaine, otherwise how you good, Mr. Jermaine? Yeah, I just wanted to give a huge thanks to you for helping me out on the build for that car. Like, you've been super helpful.
Yeah, no, at least we're gonna get it, to show quality level.
Yeah.
I've been following you from us. Because the bumper was irritating.
I know. It was, yeah. But now, like, we want to get that help, and I'm just looking forward to seeing.
And the front bumpers.
And the front bumpers as well, yeah.
Let's see if I can get to the bottom piece. You see there at the bottom.
The Valence grill, the black one, the small
one.
Yeah. Jermaine, like, you don't have to like do so much for me already. You
I don't mind.
Yeah.
I'm happy to help. I'll always help.
Yeah.
I help fellow car guys where I can.
Yeah.
So.
No, but I truly appreciate that.
And you're the first one, you actually revealing this.
Yeah, actually, yeah.
I think there's going to be a title revealing
revealing the look for Jermaine vs. Jab. But your car looks so good.
Really good.
And now the red one?
The red one is coming tomorrow.
Yeah. Okay.
So I'm revealing both at Jermaine vs. Jab.
Jermaine vs. Jab.
So you see this one's got turbines.
Yeah.
And the red one I'm putting throwing stars.
Throwing stars.
Yeah. This is my wife's car.
Yeah. Oh, this is so beautiful. This one, it's a stock 325.
Stock.
Oh, so this one's not the 2.9 stroke.
No,
the 2.9 stroke is your. Okay.
Yeah.
I made a mistake on that one. Apologies for that. Yeah. So this one is the original 325, and then Jermaine's red one is the 2.9 stroke.
It's a 320 body, but
the 320 body.
Yeah,
but the motor is a.
We've done a 325 upgrade.
Okay. Nice.
Yeah, so did he tell you what we're gonna do on the car?
Yeah, but please run us over on that one.
We're gonna do, he's gonna do back bumpers, front and back.
Okay.
Gonna do 3-stage polish. Gonna put the Soch platter for you.
Yeah,
the prestige plate.
Yeah.
And there's gonna be a secret reveal at Jermaine vs. Jab for your car.
For the car. So there's gonna be a surprise as well, Jimmy.
Yeah.
So that's gonna be guys, I hope you guys are ready for that. I know you guys are not ready, but I'm looking forward to it. And I hope you guys are too.
I'm glad, we can get some sponsorships for you. Wade is a really good guy.
Yeah.
I'm sure he told you about this business thing.
Yeah, he did, yeah.
Beating, mechanical, stuff like that, you see.
Yeah.
And he sprayed my bike as well.
And your bike as well. Yeah, is it? Yeah.
I'm a rock.
And I saw it when you posted on WhatsApp that, it was also getting some love done.
Yeah, so I resprayed it all.
Yeah.
So I'm going to put a wheel I'm going to put one of the cars on the trailer.
Okay.
And I'm going to put a wheel on this car. So,
on Amarok.
Yeah.
Oh, do you mean you're fighting?
Yeah.
But
Yeah. I can't wait to see how the car's going to come out.
Yeah.
What I think we should do is, did he tell you, like, maybe we must do a satin black?
A satin black
is like mine. You see the bumper color?
Yeah.
As opposed to like a gloss or matte black.
I think the satin black is more yeah.
Yeah, and then if there's like other stuff that I see that I've got, we'll try and do it on the car. But I think for now your car's gonna look really good at the show.
Yeah.
So
nice and complete.
Nice and complete.
Yeah. So yes, boys and girls, like you guys heard it, the car's getting some love, boys and girls. A huge shout out to the guys at ProSpray AutoBody to sorting us out, boys. Huge shout out to Jermaine for hooking us up with more bits and bobs for the car. And guys, but yeah, right now we're still trying to check out the rear bumper, and then I'm gonna leave it here Saturday when we're going to button it up again. Then the guys are gonna do a nice detail job on the car. So the car's gonna be nice, boys, for Jermaine vs. Jab. super excited. But yeah, if you guys need any body work to be done on your car, please make sure to hit the guys up at ProSpray AutoBody. They are based in Lenasia Extension 10. Boys and girls, I leave all the details down below, so yeah, make sure to hit them up. And yeah, boys and girls, hope you guys enjoyed this video, so please make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel. See you guys in the next video.
Few moments later.
So yes guys, a few hours later, well not few hours later, but a few moments later. So yes guys, I ended up leaving the car at ProSpray AutoBody. So yeah, huge shout out to Jermaine, boys and girls. Yo, Jermaine is playing a huge part in this build. Appreciate it with the sponsors. Jermaine, huge shout out to you, bro. Jermaine dropped me off back at my brother's place. Like you guys can see, there's the Kia. I don't know if you guys can see it properly, but yeah. And yes, boys and girls, this is now officially the end of the video. But yeah, hope you guys loved it still. Please make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel. And yeah guys, I'll give you guys an update a few days after this to go when we go check the car out. But yeah, boys and girls, the car is gonna look so sick. I really hope you guys are ready for that. So yeah, I cannot explain how I'm feeling right now, boys. Yo, I just can't wait to see the car when it's all looking good. So yeah, man, see you guys on the next video. Peace.
These just missing the hard work, they calling it talent. And I find that disrespectful, cause I put on the mileage. Up for the shit, but I'm down for the challenge. Step off the scene just to find me a balance. These niggas don't want it to get it, cause when it got hard, them niggas quit it. So much hustle, dog. It's all about that muscle, dog, yeah. Trying to make it out the struggle, dog, yeah. Hey, watch out this bubble, dog, yeah.